Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So for today's video I'm going to do lamb kebabs served with a tossed salad and a yogurt raita. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching. So we start off with some lamb cut into bite-sized chunks, and to that we add unflavoured natural Greek yogurt. Then we add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and the juice of half a lemon. Now we give this a good stir. Then we just pop a cover over it and we put it in the fridge to marinate. 1 to 3 hours, but preferably overnight if you can. Now we're going to make our raita. So you take 1 cucumber and you just take out the watery bit that's in the middle and you just dice it. To this we add to some natural yogurt. Then we take a handful of fresh coriander, chop it very finely. And it goes into the yogurt mix along with the cucumber. And we give this a good stir, just let the flavours combine. So after our lamb has marinated, it's time to pop them onto the skewers. So just take the lid off, get a spoon, give the mixture another stir. Now I'm using steel skewers. If you're using bamboo or wooden skewers, don't forget to soak them for 20 minutes so they don't burn. And thread our lamb finely onto the skewers. Now that the kebabs are made up, it's time to go over to the cooker. So we get a pan and we put it on a medium to high heat and we give it a spray with some oil. We pop our kebabs on. We let them cook on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes. So after 4 to 5 minutes, turn them over. You can see they're starting to char. Again, after another 4 to 5 minutes, just pop them over onto the other side, just to make sure the lamb's cooked through. And now we're ready to serve. So I serve mine with a tossed salad. Just take them off the skewers onto the tossed salad with some naan bread. And we spoon over some of our cucumber and yogurt raita. And there we have our lamb kebabs covered with cucumber raita. All we have to do now is eat them and enjoy. Thanks for watching.